Hi friends, now we are going to learn another one important part of the light. In the last video, we learned the ray diagram of formation of image by using lens in convex lens, and also we learned the ray diagram of formation of the image on a concave mirror. Today we are going to learn another one important part of it, that is called the dispersion of light, another one optical phenomenon. Before going to this, first we have to know the color of the light. How many number of colors may be illuminated by a source of light? A source of light can illuminate, there are two options, either a single color or combination of color. If the light ray can illuminate only a single color, then this is called monochromatic source of light, and the light illuminated by the source is called monochromatic light. If it illuminates more than one color, then this is called the polychromatic source of light. All the generally available sources of light can illuminate white light, which is a polychromatic light. Okay, there is a particular word meaning. Let us see. The monochromatic light, the word meaning of the monochromatic, mono means one or single, chroma means color, Greek word. You learn this in chapter heredity, chromosome. Okay, chroma means color. So monochromatic light means single color light, and polychromatic light means similarly, poly means two or more than two, and chroma means color. So the light having two or more colors is called the polychromatic light. One example of the polychromatic light is a white light, illuminated by all the general sources of light available in our surroundings. So monochromatic light is illuminated by the particular source. It can illuminate a yellow color light, red color light, blue color light, etc. So what happens when the polychromatic light passes through a particular medium? Because the different colors light have different wavelength. As the wavelength of the different color lights are different, that's why the speed or the velocity of the light through a particular medium are different. As velocity different, so the bending of the light must be different through a particular medium, because the light follows the least path property or the least time property. That means the through the particular medium, if we consider here a particular medium is the prism. This is the one face of the prism. Let ABC be the one face of the prism. A polychromatic light falls on it. A polychromatic light, here we consider white light, falls on the refracting surface AB of a prism. ABC is the prism. Then what happened? Then we see that the light, white color light, splits into its different component colors, and number of component colors light is obtained through the opposite refracting surface AC of the prism. Another one light ray is also here. That means a band of colors is formed after the passing through a prism. When white light passes through the prism, it splits into its component color. This is because starting from this, the color of the light are different. That's why their wavelength are different. That's why their velocity different. That's why the bending of the different color lights are different. That's why different color light bends at different angle. That's why the white color light splits into its component color, and finally a band of color is formed. That is called, this optical phenomena is called dispersion of light. This is dispersion of light. And the medium here, that is ABC, is the prism, through which when the polychromatic light or white light passes, due to which the white light splits or dispersion occurs, that is called the dispersive medium. So ABC prism is a dispersive medium, and the band of colors that is formed after the dispersion of white light is called the spectrum. This is the spectrum. This is the spectrum. So this is the dispersion of light, this optical phenomenon. But this spectrum may be of different types. Before going to this, we have to know the prism. Actually, the structure of the prism, it is made by the prism, three triangular surfaces and three rectangular surfaces and two triangular surfaces. Let us see a dispersive medium made by glass. A dispersive medium made by glass. which has two triangular surfaces. This one is the triangular surface, let this is be ABC, and three rectangular surfaces. It looks like a tent. It looks like a tent. This is D, E, F. Two triangular surfaces and three rectangular surfaces. This is a prism which has three rectangular surfaces and two triangular surfaces. Very frequently asked question in your board exam. And another one, dispersive medium, is the water bubble, soap bubble. Also these are the dispersive medium. And this spectrum may be of now two types. This spectrum, this is maybe of two types. The number one, pure spectrum, and another one is also here, that is impure spectrum. Impure spectrum. In case of the white light, when dispersed, then we get the seven colors. We get the seven colors, that is visual. That is visual. If we arrange them V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Visual. V for violet, and I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, and O for orange, ORANG, and R for red. In Bengali this is Benia Soho Kola. Benia Soho Kola. English visual, VIBGYOR. Okay, here the spectrum in which all the seven components of the white light can be seen prominently and distinctly. No overlapping of colors are found. Then this is called the pure spectrum. In impure spectrum, that is the spectrum in which the seven component colors of white light cannot be seen prominently and distinctly, is called the impure spectrum. Naturally, all the spectrum formed are the impure spectrum. Pure spectrum can be formed particular arrangement in the laboratory with the help of the convex lens and the prism. Okay, and rainbow is a natural impure spectrum formed due to the dispersion of the sunlight in the moisture present in the atmosphere. So in the next video we will learn how can we form the pure spectrum. Okay, and other some very frequently asked short question or MCQ question from this part. Why red color light is used as a danger signal? Why the sky appears blue? Why the sea water appears blue? These are few frequently asked questions in your board exam. Let us learn we in the next video. Okay.